In this lesson, we are going to learn how to add integers using number lines. Okay, so when we are looking at the problem, the first number is our starting point. So we are going to be starting at positive 5. Then the second number tells us what direction we're going to go and how far. So we have a negative 8 here, which means we're going to go 8 steps in the negative direction. Okay, so the positive direction is going up and negative direction is going down. Wherever we land, where we stop, will be our final answer. Okay, so we are again starting at positive 5. So I'm going to find positive 5 on my number line. It is right here. Okay, I'm going to start there, and I'm going to move 8 steps in the negative direction. So I'm going to go down 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And where did we end up at? What's between negative 2 and negative 4? That's right, negative 3. So negative 3 is our answer. Okay, next one. Our problem says negative 2 plus negative 4. So we're going to start at negative 2, and then we're going to go 4 steps in the negative direction. So we're going down. So we're going to start at negative 2 on our number line, starting here, and we're going to go 4 steps in the negative direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we went even farther down and landed at negative 6. Oops. Sorry, negative 6. Okay. All right, on this next one, we're going to start at positive 8 and then go down, because it's negative, 10 steps. So if I'm starting at positive 8 and I'm going to go 10 steps down the number line, am I going to go into the negatives or am I going to stay in the positives? Let's see. So I'm going to go 10 steps in the negative direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we did get into the negatives and we finished at negative 2. Okay, next one. We're going to start at negative 5, so we'll be down in the red, and we're going to go positive 7, so we're going to be going up this time. So do you think we're going to go up enough to get us out of the red, out of the negatives? Let's see. So we're going to start at negative 5, which is here, and then I'm going up 7 because I'm going in the positive direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now I have 2 more, 6, 7, and I finish in the positives. So positive 2. Okay, next one. We're going to start at negative 10, and then we're adding 9, positive 9, so we're going to go up 9 steps. Is that going to be enough to get us out of the red? Let's see. So we're starting way down here at negative 10, deep down in the red, and we're going to go up 9 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, we didn't quite make it, did we? We're close, but we are not into the positives. So we finished at negative 1. Okay, next one. We are starting at positive 9. So we're going to start here, and then we have a negative 3, so we're going to go down 3 steps. So is that going to be enough to make us go into the negatives? No. So 1, 2, 3, we're still in the positives, and we end up at positive 6.